How to import AliExpress reviews to Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your Shopify dashboard and then simply click on Add Apps. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on Shopify App Store, and then here you're gonna have to simply search for import, then click on reviews, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on Ali reviews and then click on install. And then the next step is to simply install the app to our Shopify store. So I'm going to click on install, and now we need to set up the app. So as you can see here, we have different plans. So here we have the free ones. I'm going to choose this one here. Now if you want, you can use this for a free trial, as you can see, and then it's going to be $1 for 1 month. So let me close this. So I'm gonna click on continue with free plan because I don't want the premium ones, but if you want, you're gonna have to use that. So click on get started, and then here what you're gonna have to do is simply click on enable app embed, and then we're gonna have to enable the app. So as you can see here, make sure this is enabled, and then click on save. Then what you're gonna have to do next is simply, so let me refresh this. So now what you're gonna have to do is simply click on add a review box, then click on add, and then we're gonna have to add the reviews here. So as you can see, we have, so let me go back here and let's see. So let's enable this because apparently there is this bug here. So let's see. Now let's enable this now, and let's see if it's working now. Now let's go back here. Let's refresh this. So basically after that, you're gonna have to click on import reviews and then simply click on add to Chrome. Now we're gonna have to install this extension, and after that what you're gonna have to do is simply click on proceed here. And now what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to AliExpress, and then you're gonna have to choose the product, and I'm gonna copy this product reviews, then click on the extension. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply, so let's go back here. So let's see what it is. So as you can see, we're gonna have to reload this page after adding the extension. As you can see, now we're gonna have to add the product, and basically we're gonna have to select the AliExpress product that we just added here, and then after that we're gonna be able to select which reviews we want to import, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.